It's fucking dang shit, dude.
Hold on,
It's dang shit.
record it. Come on. Okay, hold on. Point it at me.
It's
Point it
recording.
at me. Okay, Dane just clogged up the toilet, and we're gonna unplug it. Okay, so we gotta look at his doo doo. Okay, we gotta look at his doo doo. So we gotta find somebody to get it out.
Here, it's right there. It's right there.
Where?
See?
Get what?
Dude, it smells like shit.
I know it does. Oh fuck! I'm gonna.
Dude, right there, man.
Oh. Look at that poo.
Let me get it up close.
Hold on.
Oh, dude.
Oh! Alright, y'all. I'm gonna... Point it back at me, buddy. Just call good old Wayland when you need some plumbing service here. I'll unplug your toilet right up.
Alright, that was badass, guys.